Hello everyone, my name is Urban and I'm calling in from the Nordics, and I just had the opportunity to take part of the one-day identity workshop, I think it's called, with the NCBI, led by Royston and his team. And it's a beautiful team. Like, thank you Royston, and beautiful container that you guys are bringing to it. And I was very skeptical applying and going into this course, but after going through with it, it was worth every moment spent, right? It sort of like, it's a come from men's work. We do a lot of work with our shadow and purpose and mission, like all those things. And doing this workshop have helped me become more clearer about my biases that I might carry unconsciously, and sort of like put those unconsciously things in front of me, just as I can do with my shadow at times. So it helped me become more aware, and to also help navigate like this realm of all these identities that we carry in our lives, and the views that people have of themselves and of others, and to just get the tools to navigate through all this, you know, and also to help sort out where conflict might arise, right, and fears in yourself might arise, and how to deal with them properly. So yeah, truly, thank you Royston, thank you for the NCBI one-day workshop. Truly recommend it. Even if you're a leader, or if you're just doing men's retreats and workshops, or part of MKP, just jump on it. Beautiful stuff. Thank you.
I found the workshop delivered by NCBI on identity, difference and equality to be really insightful and thought-provoking. The facilitators created a great space for us to feel open enough to share our opinions and also learn from each other and take on the different perspectives, as well as the learning activities that took place. I think anyone from any environment needs to go on a course like this, because it really helps identify any unconscious bias that you may be carrying or using through the language that you're not aware of. So I encourage everyone to take part. It's a great learning experience, and I think it's something that will stay with you for a very long time. It's a great investment.
The NCBI workshop is essential for everybody, nationally and globally, in my humble opinion. Royston and his colleagues hold the space in the most incredibly safe way. I would recommend it to anybody. Well-held space, useful exercises that self-challenge and make me and one more aware of how you put yourself, or how I put myself out into the world. There's open conversations. If you dare to go deep, fantastic, because you get a lot from it and you can share with others in a very intimate and beautiful space.